Hello, my green beauty lovers! Yeah! Oh, yeah! Lovers, I'm here to go through Coffee and Cacao Face Scrub and how to elevate this incredible product that's packed full of incredible organic superfood ingredients that loves your skin so much. This is a physical exfoliator and it has got white willow bark, so you've got a slight enzymatic action to it as well. But we're going to elevate this product. So this formula comes in powder form, which is fantastic because then you can do whatever you want with it. You can mix it in with your cleanser, so you can mix it in with Natura Detox Foam or any other gel cleanser that you may have. You can mix it in with any other cream cleanser you may have. You can mix it in with that as well. But what I like to do with with Coffee and Cacao Face Scrub is I like to actually use it as a mask before I remove it. So I'm going to go through what I love to do, one of my favorite mix-in moments with Coffee and Cacao Face Scrub. Yes! So first things first is because I'm going to demonstrate it for you. I'm going to go in with Halo Cleansing Elixir. You always want to put Coffee and Cacao Face Scrub, the mixture that you put onto clean skin. But I am going to use Halo because it's a really nice, hydrating, balancing cleansing oil that's blue, from Blue Tansy. So what you do is you massage it into your hands, warm it up. You can already smell the aroma. Press it into your skin. And just work that all the way around your skin. This cleanser here helps to calm the skin, soothe the skin, nourish the skin, hydrate the skin, and keep it nice and balanced. You can take it over the eyes as well, absolutely fine. So it removes all makeup, clings onto the impurities, and then you just remove it away. So once you've done a quick cleanse with Halo, breathe in the aromatics of nature. Literally, Halo is just the most freshest, creamiest, just so refreshing, so refreshing. You're gonna take a warm flannel, or if you're doing this in the morning, you take a cold flannel. But at night, I like to do it warm-ish, like barely warm, like lukewarm. Like in the morning, freezing cold, always and forever. As soon as you wake up, freezing cold showers, freezing cold cleansing. You're going to then remove your Halo Cleansing Elixir. You don't have to remove it completely off your skin because some of the residue of the oil will work really lovely within the Coffee and Cacao Face Scrub and mixture you're going to do. Now, Coffee and Cacao Face Scrub is an incredible product to use, especially after shaving. So I always get rid of my beard every now and then so I can treat my skin underneath. And Coffee and Cacao Face Scrub is really gorgeous at doing that. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your incredible NINI Organics Ritual Bowl. Now this is where the magic happens. The magic is all created in here. You can obviously use the palm of your hand, but then you just lessen the mess and you don't have any waste with this as well. So you've got your NINI emblem written down there and you've also got Green Beauty written underneath here. I love it. These are actually made by Maria. She's our local ceramicist. I love that. And she makes them by hand with these little tiny spoons, which is so cute. So what you're going to do is you're going to take about a tablespoon of Coffee and Cacao Face Scrub, just like that, pop it into your bowl. Then, this is my favorite thing to mix Coffee and Cacao Face Scrub with because of that vitamin C and the enzymatic action and then the soothingness from the oats. So I've got organic oat milk here. So I'm just going to put about a teaspoon in. And this is from the brand Rebel Kitchen, which I love this one because it's creamy. And this is the whole one. Put a little bit more in, just like that, and it just makes it really creamy. I'm then going to take some local organic honey, which I get from the farmer's market, from this local farmer that has got this really gorgeous beekeeping situation. So I'm going to take a little bit of honey. Now, honey is incredible. We don't actually use it within our formulas because obviously we're a vegan range. But for me personally, I am vegan. I don't, I'm predominantly plant-based. But with honey, as long as I know where it's from, it's the source for it, of where it's from, and I'm happy with that, can see it's completely ethically done, then I'm happy to use a little bit of honey. I'm not a fan of pre-made honey masks because I think it's too much honey. But if I can use a little bit in my face mask, it's a luxury and I love it because it's so good for the skin. It's a humectant that draws moisture to the skin. It's got a lot of enzymes in there which help to exfoliate the skin and keep the skin really nice and fresh. So I always reach for a little bit of honey when I do Coffee and Cacao Face Scrub especially. So you're going to mix that into this really gorgeous paste, just like so. So it's mixing in. And it, lovers, oh my God, that smells so good. If you love the smell of coffee, you are gonna love Coffee and Cacao Face Scrub. Like, you are gonna love it. So just turn it into a paste. That's what you want. You don't want it to be runny whatsoever. That's why I like the mixing bowls, because you never make them runny. You can really judge it all. Always less liquid to more powder, always. And then if you need more, you add more, but don't overdo it. So once you've got that, I'm then gonna take my incredible Moonlight Nectar, which is sea buckthorn oil rich. You can see my skin, it feels so comfortable. Halo is such an incredible cleansing oil, I love it. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna take 1 pipette full, and I'm literally gonna put the whole pipette into that Coffee Cacao Face Scrub mixture, and then mix it together. Now what that does is that's gonna boost the hydration levels even more, because you've got rich oleic oils running through this formulation, and then you've also got in there sea buckthorn oil, which is really rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. So it's going to be really boosting for the skin, really brightening. Now, within the formula of Coffee and Cacao Face Scrub, you've got cacao, which is this raw organic cacao powder. We get this incredible source. And then you've also got finely ground organic coffee grains. The two together create this powerhouse combination of a stimulation effect for the skin, a brightening effect for the skin, hydrating effect for the skin, and also lifts and buffs away dead skin cells. Oh my God, but very gently, very, very gently. Okay, now, top tip with this, with any masking that you're gonna do, is you are gonna drench your skin in organic rose water, whatever mist you've got. Lovers, we've got a mist coming next year, and I cannot wait, because trust me, it's amazing. So you're gonna drench your skin. This is my top tip. The water on your skin now, the hydration level on your skin now, is gonna expand your cells and allow the magic to work even deeper into the skin. And then you apply with your fingers in circular motions, gently massaging in that goodness into your skin. Just like so, and you literally breathe in the aroma, because it is incredible. And you can take this all over your face, down your neck, over any, if you've shaved, this is really good with any ingrowns or anything like that. And then you're gonna just apply it really gently over your skin. The gentler you buff, the greater the scrub. It's a saying that I made up because I absolutely love it. Because a lot of people like physical exfoliators they're not a fan of. Of course, if you're there going like that, I mean, you're asking for trouble. You're asking for micro tears. As a rule of thumb, I never go for an exfoliator that has got nutshells in it unless they're microspherically rounded, which normally only comes in very expensive skincare formulations from the organic world. So I like to stick with, or I like to formulate with coffee, because there's so much more magic in coffee than there is in those nutshells. Nutshells are a little bit more of a deader ingredient. This is stimulating, this is brightening, this is energizing for the skin. You're gonna massage that into your skin, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna leave it. You're gonna let the enzymes work their magic for the morning, and this creates a really nice brightening, quick flash mask for the skin. So you can leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes in the morning, and then you can jump in the shower, freezing cold shower, and wash it off. If you're doing it at night, or if you're doing it later on in the evening or afternoon or whatever, then leave it on for as long as you want, and then shower it off again, or you can rinse it off in the sink. I wouldn't suggest getting into the bath with this, because the coffee grains can sometimes just stick to you. However, if you don't mind, then get into the bath and you can shower yourself afterwards. But that's it. You're just literally gonna layer this on. It feels comfortable. It doesn't feel scratchy on your skin whatsoever, because these are fine grain, finely granuled coffee grains, and they dissolve as well. Remember that, they dissolve. Nutshells don't dissolve. These dissolve in water. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. This is tonifying, this is brightening. Anyone can use this product for any skin type, for any skin condition. You can use this. Obviously, go with caution if you have got eczema or super sensitive skin, but mix it with oat milk. Mix it with oat milk. Oat milk is so antioxidant rich. It's so soothing as well. Mix it with oat milk. Get that on your skin, girl. But anyone can use this product. The gentler you buff, the greater the scrub. This is it. Now I am going to leave this on for about an hour, and then I'm going to wash it off. But yeah, I just really wanted to quickly jump on an IGTV. I can't talk today, love. The shop is open. I jumped on an IGTV video because I want to go through how to elevate and what I love to mix this with. So yeah, once again, if you didn't want to mix it with what I just mixed it with, you can just add this to any existing cleanser and gently exfoliate the skin. I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to hear the magic from all the lovers out there. Love you, bye!